Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, here is your Muhammad Amjad Saeed, your mathematics teacher. Today we are going to continue our lecture number 22 from exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4. First year class, hopefully you have solved the previous question which I left for you people. Now we are going to have our question number 6. 2x4 minus 3x cube minus 4x. Number 6. 2x4 minus 3x cube minus 4x divided by x square plus 2 whole square into x plus 1 whole square. Now we have one linear factor. So if one linear factor is there, then you can find one constant only with the help of putting method, and that will be found with the help of comparison method. Let by partial fraction, we can start from here. Let by partial fraction, this is ax plus b over x square plus 2, cx plus d over x square plus 2 whole square, then e over x plus 1, f over x plus 1 square. This is your equation number 1. Here you can see this is quadratic factor and this is repeated. So that's why for 1 power ax plus b, 2 degree, 2 constants. Here the second one 2 degrees, and again we have 2 constants cx plus d. This x plus 1, this is linear, 1 constant form, and then the second power we have another constant f. So after that we can multiply both sides with the LCM. Multiplying both sides by LCM. And what about LCM? X plus 2 whole square, x square plus 2 whole square into x plus 1 square. We are left with 2x4 minus 3x cube minus 4x is equal to ax plus b into 1 power cancelled. We have x square plus 2 and x plus 1 square. Then cx plus d into the second power also cancelled out, x square plus 2 whole square. They are cancelled out and we are left with x plus 1 whole square plus e into x square plus 2 whole square into x plus 1. X plus 1, one single power cancelled out, and x plus 1 left, and this left also. So here is f into x square plus 2 square, and second whole power is cancelled out from here. This is your equation number 2. Putting x plus 1 is equal to 0 implies that x is equal to minus 1 in equation number 2. So here is 2 into minus 1 power 4, 3 into minus 1 power 3 minus 4 into minus 1. That is equal to, here x plus 1 is involved, so whole 0. Here x plus 1 is involved, so whole term is 0. Similarly, x plus 1 is here is 0, and we have f into minus 1 square plus 2 whole square. This is 2 because minus 1 power 4 is 1. So here is negative, minus minus plus, here is plus 4 is equal to f into minus 1 square is 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3, whole square is 9. So we have 9 here, 9f, and f is equal to 9 by 9 and f is equal to 1. So we have one constant. We have one constant, that is f is equal to 1. After that we had only one linear factor. We have found one constant against that factor. Now the others are in quadratic factors, so that's why we will apply comparison method now. This will be finished up to here. Now we can open up the formulas. 2x4 minus 3x3 minus 4x is equal to ax cube plus 2ax plus bx square plus 2b. We have multiplied these two brackets, ax cube plus 2ax, bx square plus 2b into x plus 1 whole square, x square plus 2x plus 1. Similarly, here we can have cx plus d into x square plus 2x plus 1. After that, e into x4 plus 4x square plus 4 into x plus 1. We have opened the formula of this square, first square plus 2 into first into second 4x square plus second square, that is plus 4. Similarly, we can have, here we can have plus f into x4 plus 4x square plus 4. After that, we have 2x4 minus 3x cube minus 4x is equal to ax5 plus 2ax4 plus ax cube. I am taking this number, ax cube multiplied by x square is ax5, then 2ax4 plus ax cube. Now 2ax cube here is plus 2ax cube, 2a x cube plus 4ax square, 4ax square, then plus 2ax. After that, taking bx square, bx4 plus 2bx cube, bx4 plus 2bx cube, bx4 plus 2bx cube plus bx square. After that, the term of 2b plus 2bx square plus 4bx and plus 2b. After that, we multiply these two terms, cx cube plus 2cx square plus bx square, plus cx also, cx cube plus 2cx square plus cx. Then the term of d plus dx square plus 2dx plus d plus 2dx plus d, and now we multiply these two brackets also. Here is plus e into x5 plus x4 x5 plus x4 plus 4x cube plus 4x square 4x cube plus 4x square 4x cube plus 4x square plus 4x plus 4 and then plus fx4 4fx square plus 4f fx4 plus 4fx square plus 4f. Now we have, if we multiply this whole term by e, so we can write down ex5 plus ex4 plus 4ex cube 4ex square 4ex and 4e. Actually I have saved one step, it was a too long step, so that's why I multiplied here. After that we can write down this is 2x4 minus 3x cube minus 4x is equal to, we will find the term with same powers. Here is a, this is ax5, ax5, ax5. Here is plus e into x5. There were two terms of x5 here. After that we will find x4 terms plus 2a, x4 2a plus b plus b, this b, bx4, then x4. This is ex4 plus e. This is ex4. After that, plus fx4 plus f into x4. After that, we will find the cube terms. We will combine the cube terms. So here is, this is ax cube plus 2ax cube. This will be 3ax cube. So we can write down directly 3a. Here from ax cube plus 2ax cube, 3x cube. Then plus 2b plus 2b. This is 2bx cube. Then plus c and we are finding x cube plus 4e. Yes, plus 4e plus 4e into x cube. After that we will find the terms with x square. 4a plus b, then plus 2b. Actually bx square and 2bx square, it will be 3bx square. So 3b, after that 2c plus d, 2c plus d, 2c plus d plus 4e and plus 4f into x square. 4e and f, this one 4f into x square. After that we will find the term involving x. Here is 2a plus 4b. This is 2a plus 4b plus c plus 2d plus 2d. Then term involving x, 4e. This is plus 4e into x. After that, we will write down the constants. Constants. This is 2b plus 2b, then plus d, yes, plus d, plus 4e plus 4f. 4e plus 4f. So in this way, we have written like terms side by side, and after that we have taken the common from them and comparing coefficients of x5, x4, x cube, x and constants. Comparing coefficients. Comparing coefficients, we have a plus e is equal to 0. That is equation number 3. Then 2a plus b plus e plus f. E plus f is equal to 2. Equation number 4. 3a plus 2b plus c plus 4e is equal to minus 3. Equation number 5. And after that, x के term 4a plus 3b plus 2c plus d plus 4e plus 4f is equal to 0. Because here is x square, here is x square term is missing. So its coefficient is 0. After that, 2a plus 4b plus c plus 2d plus 4e is equal to minus 4. This is equation number 6 and that was 7. After that, constant 2b plus d plus 4e plus 4f is equal to 0. This is equation number 8. So these are different equations. Dear students, you can apply f is equal to 1 here, f is equal to 1 here, f is equal to 1 here, and then you will solve these equations simultaneously to find the constants a, b, c, d, e and f. I hope that you can complete this question by yourself. Try at home. If you could not, then tell me. Inshallah, I will do it. But it is the question. Here you have to solve these equations simultaneously to find the values of constants. After that, we have this chapter number 5 is finished. After that, we can start our chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 is very simple, and most of the chapter 2 is you have seen these exercises, concepts, even in previous classes, in 7th, 8th maths, in 10th class, chapter number 5, you have seen these. So, exercise, chapter number 2, exercise 2.1, writing down the sets in set builder notation, then descriptive and tabular form. As an example, I can solve for you people, and mostly you will complete this exercise by yourself. Here is chapter number 2, exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Write the following sets in set builder form. For example, number 1 is write in set builder form. First part is 1, 2, 3 up to so on for them. Dear students, first of all, you must know about the type of the sets, their names, and from where these sets starts. In set builder form, you will take an arbitrary letter x such that x belongs to, this is main information, x belongs to set of natural number, because set of natural number starts from 1. X such that x belongs to n and x is less than 1000. If you say x is less than 1000, it will be from 1 to 999. And if you write down equal sign also, so 1000 is included. So this is the way how to write down the set in set builder form. Remember that there are two information. This is general information and this is particular information. General information, from which set the members are coming. And number 2, what is the description of x? Which you are taking, what is the description of x? It is related to these numbers typically. So this is the way how to write down sets in the set builder form. For example, we have another part, this is 6 part. Suppose we have minus 100, minus 101 up to so on minus 500. So first of all, you know that these numbers are negative, so this can be written as x such that x belongs to z minus. That minus means set of integer, that is the negative part of set of integer. This is negative part of set of integer. And x is greater than minus 500. When we say x greater than minus 500, it will be minus 499, minus 498 up to so on here. And when we say equal sign, so minus 500 is included now. X is greater than equal to minus 500 and less than minus 100. Less than minus 100 means minus 101, minus 102. Etc. and so on. And if you draw equal sign, then minus 100 is included. So this is the way how to write down the sets in the set builder form. Remember that first information is general information about the set and second information about these numbers typically. So this is the way how to write down the sets in set builder notation. After that we have for example set of real number between 1 and 2. Set of real number between 1 and 2. This will be x such that x belongs to R set a real number x such that x belongs to R and x is greater than 1 and less than 2. Remember that it is written between 1 and 2, it means 1 and 2 are not included. These corners are not included between 1 and 2. So this is x is greater than 1 and less than 2. This is the way to write down this set in the set builder form. Similarly, in question number 2, you have to write down in descriptive and tabular form x such that x belongs to n and x is less than or equal to 10. This is set builder form is given here. You have to write down descriptive form set of first 10 natural numbers. Set of first 10 natural number. This is your first 10 mean from 1 to 10 and n is capital. This is n capital is natural number. So tabular form is 1, 2, 3 up to so on 10. This is tabular form, this is descriptive form. So this is the way how to write down the other questions. Similarly, we have part number 9. Here is x such that x belongs to O and x is greater than 5 less than 7. Remember that greater than equal to 5 and less than equal to 7. So what is the tabular form? Tabular form is 5 and 7. 5 and 7. Because this is O, set of odd numbers, 6 will not be included. And descriptive form is set of 2 members, 5 and 7. So this is the way how to write down tabular form and descriptive form. Similarly, you can do the other parts in the same way. So here, I hope that you can complete the other parts of this question number 4. For example, we have part number 10, x such that x belongs to O, x such that x belongs to O, and x is greater than equal to 5 and less than 7. Dear students, you can check. O means set of odd number, x is less than 7 but equal to, greater than equal to, greater 6. Greater is 6, 6 is not included in set of odd number. Therefore, tabular form is singleton set, that is only 5. Descriptive form, a singleton set containing 5 as a member. So this is the way how to write down the tabular form and descriptive form. So I hope that you can do other parts of your question number 2. So inshallah we will have the other lesson for next question, and I hope that you understood these questions and you can do at home. Hopefully inshallah in the next lecture we will start from question number 3, exercise 2.1. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.